Let's review this today. This is Realme Buds Air 3. Coming to product itself, it looks premium and it feels premium. Let's quickly review about the specifications. It has active noise cancellation. Dual pairing means I can connect to two devices at a time. Water resistance up to IPX5, and Realme claims it's 30 hours of playback. It is available in three colors: starry blue, nitro blue, and galaxy white. What I'm holding is starry blue. And the very important feature of this earbuds Air 3 is dual pairing. Let's say you have a laptop or a Mac and you have also a phone, and both the things can be paired at a time. And suppose if you are listening to music or watching any YouTube in your laptop, and suppose you get a call on your phone, you don't need to unpair the laptop earbuds Bluetooth connection. It You can directly pick the call in your phone. By default, this feature is disabled. I don't know why. This needs to be enabled in Realme Link app. Then only you will be able to pay two devices at a time. There is one real feature in Realme Link app is customized audio tuning. Let's say suppose if anybody is having a hearing problem in one ear, this customized audio tuning will take a couple of minutes to test both the ears, and it will adjust the both the earbuds as per your hearing. And there is another feature, auto answer. Suppose you are getting a call and these earbuds are already paid. The moment you pick it out of your case and when you wear it, it automatically takes the call. You don't need to look for your phone to click the green button to answer that call. The sensors are really good. If you are listening to audio or watching any YouTube music, the moment you remove from your ear, it stops. The whatever it is playing, it stops. The moment you put it in your ear again, then it automatically starts whatever you are playing. The actual earbuds looks like this, and there is one particular position where you need to pick the buds. If you put your fingers like this and try to remove, it won't come. Even it is mentioned in the box also, you have to put something like this, the thumb in between this and put it here, and you can pick it up. There are a lot of other features which we can control from the Realme Link app. By double tapping, you can play or stop the music or the plane or whatever you are doing. You can adjust the left earbud, triple tap can go to previous track, and the right earbud, triple tap may go to forward track or the next track. But there is one thing which I really didn't like it. This is an right earbud. If I'm removing it, I have to turn this like this and put in the ears. It's not the case in AirPods. AirPods, I can remove it like this and I can put it here. It has got three modes: active noise cancellation, normal, and transparent mode. You can switch mode just by pressing a couple of seconds either of the buds. Normal mode is something like which any other earbud filters the outside noise, and active noise cancellation is really works good, and it almost 80% of the outside voice is cancelled to the ear. And there is another important mode, transparent mode. This intentionally allows the outside noise into your ear. Why is this given? Let's suppose you have wore this earbuds and went outside. You are maybe listening to the music. When you are outside, I don't really recommend to wearing these buds. Let's say there is an ambulance siren is coming. If you are on active noise cancellation mode, it is very difficult, you can't listen. Or else if somebody is calling you from far away, in those cases active noise cancellation cannot hear those. It will always filters, almost filters the 90% of outside noise. The 30 hours of active listening music, it means that suppose you have listened for some time and you put it in the back into the case, and it will charge again. Like that, it can last up to 30 hours in a normal mode. like that, if you are in ANC or transparent mode, it will last up to 22 hours. Suppose you are wearing continuously without putting the buds into the case, then it will last up to 5.5 hours of listening. As per the specification, it takes 100 minutes to charge both the earbuds and the case. But I have tested with Redmi's 67-watt charger. I plugged in all zero at both the buds and the case at 10:34, and it's full charge at 11:41, which means that it charged in just 1 hour 7 minutes, two earbuds and the case. And there is another mode. If you hold it couple of seconds, both the earbuds and the mode, it will come to game mode. And finally, coming to the price, and this is a budgeted earbuds with a dual pairing and active noise cancellation. I purchased somewhere around 3,499 in Diwali time. These are very good earbuds within that budget range. On that note, let's end this video. I think this video, if it taken a little bit longer, please bear with me. I try to do it as less as possible. And I'm Surya Dosil and you're watching HTR, signing off. Let's catch you in the next video. Thank you.